Everybody, this is Ayla and her horse Trooper, and today we are going to be working off of Trooper responding to seat commands as well as him working better off of the seat. Okay, so what we are doing here is we are making sure her hands are going to be in front of the saddle, and when we ask for the command to go around, her inside foot is going to come slightly off and point her toe towards the cone. Outside foot is going to be in button number 2. Now, the key to making a good turn is you're going to tip your hip slightly towards the direction that you're going, and then you're going to roll your shoulder back. So put your hand forward, sit up straight. Now roll your shoulder back just a tad. See, that is going to be the cue to go around. It's just rolling your shoulder rather than pulling. So let's give it a go. So we got 4 cones set up, and we're going to start out at a walk. So look forward, and keep it nice and straight. And so when we get to our next cone here, that's when you're going to start to tip your shoulder and use that outside leg. So right when you get to this point, try not to go beyond your strap so you're not pulling too hard. Leg, good. See how her leg is pushing, and she got a much better circle? That is great. That's what I want. Okay, now let's step it up a bit and let's get into a trot. Good. Now let's look towards your next cone, please. Next cone, come on. There you go. Tip your hip and start your turn. Come on, keep them going. She also has a little bit of a spanky stick. So if your horse is not responding to your leg command, that's when you add a little bit of pressure. Give him a little bit of a tap. Okay, turn. Oh, we missed that turn, kind of went out a little bit. So go around that twice. Go around that cone twice. If you have a bad turn, keep it twice. Tap, tap, tap. Let's go get a tighter turn. Tighter turn, tighter turn, tighter turn. Now look at how high your outside hand has come, and you completely got a little loose with your reins. So let's tighten your reins back up, tighten your reins back up, get some contact. Now start your turn. When his nose gets to the cone, start your turn. Sit up straight and turn. Outside leg, outside leg, outside leg. There you go, that's better. Push and release, push and release, push and release. Good, good. Give him a little tap if he slows down. Watch your hands. Keep your hands as straight as possible. Ready, and start your turn. Tight turn, tight turn. Aha! You want to grab with that hand to get a really tight turn. That's using that inside hand. Put your hand back on that strap and try to focus on using the leg to get the turn rather than pulling with the direct rein. Ready, and turn. Tap with the outside of the hand. Up, there you go again. You want to keep pulling. Don't pull all the way out from your position. Put your hands back in place. Tighten up on that inside rein. Tighten up until you got contact. There you go. Now, outside hand. Come on, add outside rein, outside leg. That was better. Good, good. That time you kept your hands in position, kept him going. Keep your hands tight. And turn, outside leg, outside leg, outside leg, outside leg. Good, that was a nice, good, strong turn. When you're having a problem like this, it probably means you have to be a little bit stronger with your outside leg and outside cues. It's not real easy, is it? It's gonna take practice. But the whole idea is to get better hands, more secure hands, and be able to have a little better contact with, in our case, the hackamore. All right, thank you so much for joining me in today's video. And if you enjoyed the video, give us a like. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. And remember, to see more, check out our playlists.